So I found this adorable perfume bottle, and we're gonna cast it in silicone. I've got the glue gun ready. This will be my, going to be formed. I'm just gonna run a bead of hot glue right around here. I'm gonna set it right down in the center, like that. That's it for the glue gun. Let that set up for a minute. While I finish mixing, I'm gonna do 4 ounces, so that's 2 ounces of the white and 2 ounces of the green. Get ready to stir. All right, color is consistent. It feels thicker. So this is ready to pour. I have a spare mold just in case I made too much, but I didn't want to make too little either. So here we go. I'm going to pour from up high to break as many bubbles as possible. I wasn't sure how much it was going to take. Looks like it might be just about the right amount. Oh my goodness. I don't think I could ask for any more. That's just about perfect. Okay, well, we don't need to worry about the extras. Just get the rest of this out of this cup, and we are ready to let it set up and demold and have something to try out for tomorrow. There it is. Glove for 2, just to make sure I'm not getting fingerprints on my brand new mold. They can be extremely touchy, and you can mess them up by putting the oils from your skin on the mold. There it goes. Woo, we did it. Looks like it's very good and shiny. You can see the little hearts right there. Okay, friends, we are all pour this on the side. Let it fill up some. Oh yeah, I didn't think it'd take very much. So definitely about an ounce. I'm gonna squish, squish, release bubbles. Let's get the resin up the sides. All right, and we will continue the pour. Boy, that was a good guess. Can't get it out. It's still a little soft. I'm trying not to break it. There it goes. Bloop. Ooh, that's still pretty. Boy, that's pretty. There it is. Definitely got some bubbles. But the back is pretty darn clear. Oh, shiny.